Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to automate various tasks and roles across different industries. While it's difficult to predict the exact future impact of AI on jobs, here are some job categories that may be affected. Routine and repetitive tasks. Jobs involving repetitive and predictable tasks are at a higher risk of automation. This includes assembly line work, data entry, basic customer service, and some administrative tasks. Transportation and delivery. With the development of autonomous vehicles and drones, jobs in transportation and delivery, such as truck drivers and delivery personnel, may see significant changes. Manufacturing and warehousing. AI-powered robots and automation systems are increasingly being used in manufacturing and warehousing operations, potentially reducing the need for manual labor in certain areas. Customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are being employed to handle customer inquiries and support, potentially reducing the number of human customer service representatives required. Data analysis and insights. AI technologies can process and analyze vast amounts of data, potentially impacting jobs in data entry and basic data analysis. However, AI is also creating new roles in data science and advanced analytics. Financial services. AI algorithms are being used for tasks such as fraud detection, risk assessment, and automated trading, which may affect jobs in these areas. However, AI also creates opportunities for financial advisors and analysts to leverage advanced data analytics tools. Healthcare. AI has the potential to assist in medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. While it may not completely replace healthcare professionals, it could augment their abilities and impact certain specialized roles. Legal services. AI systems can help automate legal research, document analysis, and contract review, potentially impacting certain paralegal and research positions. However, complex legal tasks still require human judgment and expertise. It's important to note that while AI may automate specific tasks within a job, it can also create new job opportunities, drive innovation, and enhance productivity in many sectors. Jobs that involve complex decision-making, creativity, interpersonal skills, and strategic thinking are less likely to be fully replaced by AI. Instead, they may evolve and require individuals to work alongside AI systems to maximize their potential.